Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the TEWELL T-2610 Bluetooth mini soundbar that you can check out on Amazon. It's at the time of this review for $29.99. They also have a coupon that'll save you a few bucks off that, so you're looking at about $27, $28 for this mini soundbar. So let's dig into it. Is it worth your money? I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at what you get in the box when you unbox the mini soundbar by TEWELL. You're going to get a charge cable. It's a standard USB to micro USB charge cable. It's not that long. It's only about a foot long or so, but you can use longer cables. You probably have one already since it's micro USB. You can charge this with any USB port in your PC or your laptop, or you can just use a wall adapter to do that as well. Now, it does have an AUX cable with, just your red and white sound cables in case you want to hook this up to something like a TV that only has these inputs, maybe doesn't have Bluetooth, that type of thing. And they also give you a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter AUX cable for hooking up devices such as your phone or something else. Again, if you don't want to go the Bluetooth route, you can do it that way. Now, they do give you an instruction manual. It's very basic, but it does have some good information in here, such as safety precautions, how to get in touch with them with their email. You can see that down at the bottom. It's some of the LED indicators and how to pair with Bluetooth, which I'll show you really quickly, is not that hard to do on this unit at all. So we will go over that, but hold on to it if you need to. Let's take a look at the unit itself. The unit itself is 14.5 inches long by 2.4 by 2.4 inches. So this is a mini soundbar. It's going to go in front of a smaller TV or even a larger monitor really well. You can see on the right-hand side we've got our play button, our power button, our volume up and volume down, which are also your forward and reverse track buttons. And once you turn the power on, you're going to get this blinking icon here that says that we are ready to pair this up, which I'll do a little bit later in this video. But I do like the buttons. The buttons are very responsive. There is no remote control with this, but at a $27 or $28 price point, that's not really expected. And if it's going to be in front of your computer monitor to replace those computer monitor speakers that you really don't like, then that is okay because it's going to be within arm's reach anyway. On the back, you do have that DC 5-volt input USB, micro USB, the aux input, and a reset hole if you do need to reset it. It does have some nice feet on the bottom of it as well. You do notice that this piano black finish, though, that is in plastic, is going to collect dust and fingerprints, so just be prepared to wipe it down every once in a while. I like the cloth on the front of this as well as the TEWELL logo. It does look pretty nice from the front, so the design wise this is pretty decent. Again, it's only about 14.5 inches long. I have a 32-inch monitor, and it fits perfectly in front of that 32-inch monitor to replace my built-in speakers on that monitor. Now, if you want to actually pair this up, all you have to do is go to Bluetooth. You can do this on your PC. You can do it on whatever device you're going to pair it to. And in the Bluetooth settings, it will come as the TEWELL 2610, and it pairs very, very quickly. So easy to pair, super easy to pair, no problem. It is connected for call and media audio, so it does have a built-in microphone in it as well, so that's something that you can take phone calls with if you have it hooked up to your phone, so that was awesome. I did test those out. They worked perfectly fine for taking phone calls. The microphone did a good job at picking up my voice, and nobody had any problems hearing me. Let's get to a sound test real quick. Okay, so as you could hear, not bad at all. It definitely has some bass to it. I was pretty impressed, especially for this lower price point, that it did as well as it did. You have two speakers, one on either side, and a passive subwoofer in the middle, and it does handle bass pretty well. It definitely blows away any of my monitor speakers that I've had, and it also works better than my TV speakers, so this is definitely going to be a worthy replacement for either TV or monitor speakers, no doubt. The fact that you can actually hook this up to your phone and actually take phone calls with it is another plus. It will run on battery. It does have an internal rechargeable battery that will run for 5 to 6 hours, but you can always just leave it plugged in and never have to worry about that. So if you do need to take it on the go, you can just expect that 5 to 6 hour battery life before needing to recharge it. It does take about 2 to 3 hours to fully recharge, so just keep that in mind. Overall, this was my review of the TEWELL Bluetooth mini soundbar, and I think that they've done a really good job on this at the price point. The sound is solid. The fact that you can take phone calls, it's portable with its rechargeable battery, makes it an overall good deal. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.